Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 21, that is conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words that join sentences, phrases, and words. So, let's begin with this lesson here. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, and or sentences. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एंड बट और these are the conjunctions. ये क्या करते हैं, ज्वाइन करते हो आपके वर्ड्स को, फ्रेजेस को और सेंटेंसेस को. देयर आर टू मेन टाइप्स ऑफ कंजक्शन. दो मेन तरह की कंजक्शंस होती है, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस और आपकी होती है सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस क्या होती है? द चीफ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस आर एंड, बट, और, बोथ, एंड, ईदर, और, neither, not, only, but, also. These conjunctions join pairs of nouns. ये pairs of nouns को join करती है, adjectives को, adverbs को, and verbs को, phrases को, and clauses को. For example, he plays squash and tennis. I make the payments and he the pounds. He works weekly but accurately. ये क्या कर रहे हैं? दो sentences को या words को, phrases को join कर रहे हैं. He is small but strong. He is intelligent but lazy. He came in first, but we didn't win the race. रेस नहीं जीते. ये क्या and but ये आपके क्या है? Conjunctions है. Both men and women are invited in a meeting and is also the conjunctions. Color we are right. We can't either read or write. You can either walk up or take a taxi. You can neither read nor write. Not only man but also women were chosen. These are the conjunctions. Beside the above conjunction, there are several other linking expressions. आगे expressions होते हैं, जैसे आपके so हो गया, for हो गया, एक हो गया, though, yet, therefore, yet, and so that, which can act as coordinating conjunctions, जो coordinated conjunctions की तरह act करते हैं. The conjunctions yet, if, though, so, therefore. और ये क्या होते हैं? The conjunction yet, if, so, although can be used to reduce a contrasting item. Okay? Contrasting item को real in a similar way to but. Like examples क्या है इसके? The design was simple yet elegant. She spoke kindly yet firmly. ये क्या आपकी conjunctions है? Yet क्या आपका conjunction है? Now our neighbor were very friendly, comma, if, comma, rather talkative. We had an enjoyable, comma, if rather difficult, comma, walk. Tom is a nice looking little boy, comma, so and rather mischievous one. थोड़ा बच्चा है, but एक mischievous है, शैतान भी है. She painted an interesting, comma, very gloomy picture of the situation. So Priya owns a handsome, although यहाँ पे कुछ है नहीं, यहाँ पे conjunction missing है. Although rather a disobedient dog. The conjunction therefore and so can be used to add conclusion. तो therefore और so किस लिए यूज होती है ये? Conjunctions में आपका conclusion add करने के लिए. It was an eye-catching therefore effective ad. Eye-catching therefore effective ad. At night your brain is tired. Tired नहीं आएगा. Tired आएगा. Tired so less efficient. The conjunction as well as. Conjunction क्या है आपके यहाँ पे? As well as adds an item. ये क्या add करता है? Item add करता है to one already known about. जिसको already पता होता है इसके बारे में. She is beautiful. She has talent as well as beauty. The hard work benefited me as well as him. But as well as can link other than nouns. I pronounce nouns or pronounce से link करता है as long as they match each other grammatically. Like I was surprised as well as please. मतलब surprise हुई और please ये क्या हो गया? Adjectives हो गए आपके यहाँ पे. So she led the team sensitively as well as sensibly. यहाँ पे adverbs हो गए sensibly. I will be seeing the country as well as earning money. Present participle आ गया. I can skate as well as sky. Their alternatives. He directed the film as well as acted in it. Past participle acted in it. He directs movies as well as writes screenplay. Finite verbs हो गई. Now coordinate clauses linked by coordinating conjunction. Coordinate clause किससे लिंक कर रहे हैं आपके coordinating conjunction से लिंक कर रहे हैं. The coordinated conjunction क्या है आपकी and but or can be used to in two sentences. किसमें यूज होती है दो sentences को लिंक करने के लिए so as to form one sentence. एक sentence form करने के लिए like the two sentences that are joined together. दो sentences एक साथ join होते हैं coordinate करके conjunctions को हम coordinate clauses कहते हैं. There are both main clauses. ये क्या होता है main clauses होता है they have equal status. इनका equal status होता है. Examples क्या है Ravi is studying, Raj is playing the video game. Ravi is studying and Raj is playing the video game. The day started red, it improved later. The day started red, but it improves later. Perhaps he missed the bus, perhaps the bus is late. Perhaps he missed the bus, or perhaps the bus is late. Rita has not dusted the furniture, she had not washed the dishes. अब हम इन दो sentences को कैसे join करेंगे? Rita had not dusted the furniture or washed the dishes. Remember, while using coordinating conjunction, we can omit the subject. from subject को omit कर सकते हैं. Under coordinated conjunctions को use करते हैं. Time in the second clause if it is the same for both clauses. Like she picked up the sitar, she began to play. She picked up the sitar and began to play. She हमने हटा दिया यहाँ पे फिर. So I wanted to turn the TV off. I could not find the switch. I wanted to turn the TV off, but could not find the switch. It is possible to combine clauses with both and either or. Possible combine करने के clause both से and से both and either or neither nor. For example, like Vicky both developed the package and then ये dot किस लिए होती है? इसके बीच में आपका sentence आता है. People either like the changes or dislike them. I had neither read the story nor did I want to see it. For, then, therefore, though, although, yet, so that, whereas, and why can also be used as coordinated conjunctions. हम इनको coordinating conjunctions की तरह use कर सकते हैं. To link clauses. I was getting late, so I decided to take taxi. I did nothing, for there was nothing to do. We looked astonished for a moment, then laughed. It had never been to a hill station, therefore knew nothing about its charm. Grandma loves garlic, although she doesn't do much of it these days. तो यहाँ पे आपने क्या यूज करे कंजक्शन सो फॉर देन देयरफॉर ऑल्दो येट सो दैट वेयर्स व्हाई डूज ऑल आर द conjunctions over here. Now let's talk about subordinating conjunction. Subordinate conjunction are classified according to their meaning. ये कैसे classified है? उनके meanings के according classify होते हैं. तो express reason ये क्या करता है? Reason को express करता है, cause को express करता है, effect को. Purpose, place, time, manner, comparison, condition और contrast को express करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्या है फर्स्ट बिकॉज एज सिंस फॉर ये क्या शो करता है रीजन शो करते हैं आई बॉट ब्रेड एंड बटर बिकॉज आई वॉज हंग्री because the main road was flooded we had to take a different route as she was not there I left the message where with her neighbor I go for morning walk every day as I know its benefits since you are so clever you can tell the right answer. They went to live at a hill station since they liked cool and calm atmosphere. He took off his shoes for his feet hurt. So that's so in order that show purpose. ये क्या show करता है? Purpose show करता है. He worked hard so that he would earn lot of money. I go to bed early so I can do some work in the early morning. I got up early in order to finish my homework. We had to unite the cattle in order that the animals could eat. Now go, although even though in spite of this fight. So contrast ये क्या शो करते contrast शो करते दो he's old walks fast old है फिर भी वो fast walk करते हैं रवि played in the rain although his mother told him not to मतलब जबकि उसकी मदर ने खेलने को मना कर दिया था. Even though it was inaccurate on many points, I found book interesting. वो बहुत जगह पे inaccurate थी फिर भी मुझे interesting लगी. In spite of her illness, she carried on working. Despite his handicap, he has worked hard and become very successful. Therefore, show cause and effect. ये क्या show करता है? Therefore, cause और effect show करता है. Rita cheated during the examination, therefore she must be punished. So these were the conjunctions. Now where, wherever, everywhere. ये क्या show करता है आपको? ये show करता है. Name से पता चला where, wherever and everywhere हर जगह. So place where the building has been standing, there was nothing barren land. वहाँ पे बहुत building है, वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, time में barren land था. We would better go and park where those other cars are parking. तो better go हम वहाँ जाते हैं जहाँ पे already our cars parked there. The crowd followed her wherever she went. तो उसको वहीं वहीं follow करे जहाँ जहाँ वो गई. Everywhere we traveled, we found everywhere we traveled, we found wonderful hospitality. जहाँ भी हमने travel करा हमें वहाँ पे wonderful hospitality मिली. Now here are some conjunctions like as if, as though, so that. ये क्या show करता है? Manner show करता है. We saw the sun as we had been told. We looked as if yet we weary. John was rushing along as though he was in terrible hurry. Her hair hung so that it hit her eyes, as when while until before after as soon as. ये क्या शो करता है? टाइम शो करते हैं. We all walk towards exits as movie comes to ends. I always switch off the lights when I go to bed. I usually listen to music while I shop. He went on talking until the clock struck midnight. The burglar broke into the house before the resident came home. ये क्या शो कर रहा है? टाइम शो कर रहे हैं ना. The thieves were caught after someone called the police. After मतलब जब पुलिस ने कॉल कर दी थी, सॉरी किसी ने पुलिस को कॉल कर दी थी. As soon as the teacher left, everybody started shouting. जितनी जल्दी टीचर गई, जब तक टीचर चले गई, तुरंत सबने शाउट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. So that the ये क्या शो करते हैं? रिजल्ट शो करते हैं. He was so ill, he did not go for exertion. Johnny was the best runner in the class, thus he was chosen to represent the class in the cross-country race. We were so late for the movie that we were not allowed in. It went so heavily that the street turned into a river. If unless show condition, ये क्या शो करता है? कंडीशन शो करता है. You can watch TV if you finish your work. क्या पॉजिटिव है? पॉजिटिव कंडीशन है. You can watch TV if you do not finish your work. Do not आ गई क्योंकि नेगेटिव हो गई. You cannot watch TV unless you finish your work. ये भी नेगेटिव है. Unless भी आ गया, cannot भी आ गया. Now both the words need always positive or negative. बोथ द वर्ड नीड नॉट ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव यानी हमेशा पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव नहीं चाहिए होता. यू विल नॉट बी फनिश्ड इफ यू लर्न योर लेसन. ये क्या है? नेगेटिव भी है, पॉजिटिव भी है. यू विल बी फनिश्ड इफ यू डू नॉट लर्न योर लेसन. ये भी पॉजिटिव भी है, बेनिफिट नेगेटिव है. रिमेंबर द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. जो मीनिंग होता है सेंटेंस का वो इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. इफ एंड अनलेस. It can be before or in the middle of the sentence. ये आपके before और middle of the sentence भी हो सकता है. The conjunction as since, because, for, in case, I used to give reasons. यूज होती है, एक reason देने के लिए यूज होती है. They introduce the explanation that answer the question. ये introduce करती है उस explanation को जो क्या आंसर करती है? क्वेश्चन को आंसर करती है. Why? The conjunctions so that in order that in case are used to state a purpose. इसलिए जो एक purpose को state करने के लिए they introduce the answer to the question what for. Introduce करते किस आंसर क्वेश्चन की आंसर what for. It's a phrase or clause with a conjunction come at the beginning of the sentence. जब phrase और clause होता है conjunction कब आता है? सेंटेंस के बिगिनिंग में भी. पुट अ कॉमा टू सेपरेट इट. कॉमा लगाते हैं उसे सेपरेट करने के लिए अपने मेन क्लॉज से. The conjunction if that as long as provided that unless in case are used to show condition. कंडीशन शो करने के लिए that is they indicate what we can do. ये क्या इंडिकेट करता है कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं उसको. The condition to achieve something. For example, क्या इसका if you study well hard, you will do well in your exams. You will not do well in your exam unless you study very hard. The conjunctions so that such that are used to show result. किस लिए यूज होता है? रिजल्ट शो करने के लिए यूज होता है. He drove so fast that he received the speeding fine. The new machines are more productive, thus reducing cost. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you like the explanation of these conjunctions. See you in the next class.